evening, everyone! Hope you're doing well. We are in Nustar, which is a luxury resort here in Cebu. And today we are starting a new series, trying buffet all over the world. And I heard there is one of the best buffets here in the Philippines. And I cannot wait to try it out. Oh, this is going to be epic. Let's go. Attenzione, we have arrived. I'm so pumped. Beautiful. Oh wow, oh the place is beautiful, huh?
Yeah.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome.
We are the first ones. They just opened at 6 p.m. Now we're going to take a look around and then we're gonna start eating because I'm starving. First section is the seafood one. We got prawns, crab, clams, mussels, beautifully displayed. Moving on, oh, sushi, sashimi. It was good, huh? Ragazzi, we enter the serious section here, food heaven. And they have international cuisine. Indian, they have palak paneer, biryani, smell of India. Over here, Chinese, they have dim sum, Hainanese rice, oh, chicken feet. Oh, nice. They also have Korean cuisine, pancake, Japanese over there, I can see tempura. Let's explore more. Now, things are getting even more serious. Look at this. This is where they grill meat and seafood. Crab, salmon, fish, prawns, everything, and meat. You choose your meat, you choose your cuts, and then the chef grills over the fire over there. Moving on. We have paella, crispy pata, local food. Then we have some more mix international. We have meat, pizza, roast beef. Look at this. Mamma mia. I will get some of this, no doubt. Over here they have pasta. So they cook the pasta and they make it inside. We call it forma di parmigiano, so parmigiano form, the block. It's like a cacio e pepe, Filipino cacio e pepe. We just entered, oh yes, the dessert and fruit section. We have some bread. I'm a massive bread lover. Shirley's laughing. She knows that I'm bread addict. What do we have here? Panna cotta, some cute desserts, fruits. Mamma mia. Chocolate fountain. What we have? White chocolate and milk chocolate right here. Now we're going to get some food. Attenzione. What an announcement. Oh, look at that. That looks insane. Oh, the crackling. Mama. For chef, please. Oh yes. One more meat. Thank you so much. Oh yes. Mamma mia. Filipino Lechon. We were just talking to the manager. He said, you have to be ready to fight for your lechon. And yes, he was right. Let's get some sauce. Now let's go to it. All right. Let's open the dances with the proper Cebuano Lechon. And we've been told by one of the guys that it is marinated in mango, which is unique. I've never seen anything like that. Look at this. Buon appetito. Insane. Oh, it is completely different from the lechon that I've tried before. It's a lot more savory and the meat is incredibly juicy. And now, the best part, the skin. No. Are you joking or what, yo? Did you hear? These are chips. Lechon chips. Illegal. Illegal times 10. Now, let's dip it into the sauce and let's do the combo. I'm in a dream I don't want to wake up from. Now we got some meat by the bone. The meat falls off the bone. Oh yeah. Gonna finish this and then we go for more. After the crazy start of the night, we go for some seafood salads right here. Which one is the best?
This one.
This, okay. Oh, like kinilaw, Filipino ceviche.
Yes, sir.
And then we need to get some prawns. We have a seafood salad right here. with mussels and other stuff. Let's get some sashimi. Salmon. Shirley absolutely loves it. Let's try some cheese and salumi. Mamma mia, this together with that, it's not the best. It's alright, you'll forgive me, right? Okay, let's get some pastrami, salami, and cheese. Alright, I think we are good to go. Here we are. We got some seafood salads, sashimi, a mix of salumi, cheese. Let's start. We have some kinilaw, which is sort of ceviche. Oh, looks spicy as well. Buon appetito. Ooh, it's not spicy. It's actually refreshing, citrusy. Oh, the meat is so tender. Now let's quickly get some prawns, ceviche style. Even better. They kind of pop in your mouth. Wow. And then let's go for the seafood salad with onion, peppers, prawns. Let's get a mussel. It's actually nice. There is dill, which is not my favorite herb, but overall it's good. You know what I love? It's refreshing. It's cold. Now, oh my god, sashimi. Oh yeah, let's go for salmon. Let's dip it in and let's go for it. I think I can go for 1 kilo of this. 1 kilo of this and it's fine. It's so good. Now, let's prepare it well. Some cheese. Let's do like this, like I used to do when I was little. Some pastrami. This is what in Italy the snack is. Nice slice of bread with either cheese, prosciutto or salami. So good. And now things are getting serious. Oh, beautiful. It's time for some roast beef. Look at this. Wow. This speaks for itself. Let's get a sauce. Let's go for a local sauce. Now, moving on. Ooh, this one looks good. Pork menudo. It contains potatoes. And to me, as long as it contains potatoes, it's a winner. My wife calls me Potato Man. Over here we have some fried goodies. Let's get one of everything. Okay, let's get one. I think now we're good to go. Things are getting even more serious. Let's try the roast beef. Oh my god, so tender. Let's dip it into the sauce. Oh my god, so tender. Oh, peppery, juicy, fatty. I love the sauce. Actually, it's a bit sour. It's like Dijon mustard. Moving on. Let's try pork temudo with potato peas, tomatoes, maybe mushrooms. Everything is very well balanced. There's a bit of sweetness from the carrots and peas. Everything is in harmony. Let's try some prawn tempura. Let's dip it into the sesame sauce. Wow, it's so thick. I don't know if it matches. Let's try with the fruity sauce. Fruity, salty, bitter, intense. This is our third course and we still have so much more to try. Now we're going for international food. I love Indian food and we're definitely gonna go for some palak paneer. We need to try some lamb biryani. Oh, look, let's get some chunks of lamb. Now, let's try Chinese. Oh my god, look at these. Let's get some. They look good, huh? Let's try some Korean pancake. I love this. I'll tell you a story about this. Voila. Now, we're going to get some noodles, of course. I would like some noodles. Which one is your favorite? Chicken. Chicken, okay. It's a mix of everything, yeah. Mushrooms, I love it. Some veggies just to look healthy. Nice. Opa, boom. When you see something steamy, it's just so inviting, huh? Nice. Beautiful. Thank you, chef. Wow, andiamo. Let's start with the noodles. We have noodles, chicken broth with chicken, mushrooms, cabbage, bok choy. Then we have fried garlic, shallots, and green onion. Let's mix everything up. You have to have some noodles. Now let's try the broth. Oh, so chickeny. Can taste garlic. All right, let's get some noodles. Nice and comforting. Vermicelli noodles are just so satisfying. You know, after all the heavy meat and other things that we had before, you need a comforting dish like that. It sort of cleanses your stomach for some reason. And I love the fried garlic and shallots on top. they add a lot to it. Ragazzi, now we go for some more international food. We got some Indian food, dim sum, and Korean pancake. One of the head chefs is Indian, so I believe the food has to be great. Okay, let's start with biryani. Let's break the dances with my favorite. Let's get some lamb. Lamb biryani, right from Hyderabad. Nice. Oh, less intense in terms of spices compared to India, but very close. And the meat is mega tender. Now, palak paneer, another Indian dish that I really love. Oh, it's a bit spicy. Let's try with the mango pickles and the biryani, the rice especially. Oh, yes. Oh my god, the pickles, incredibly salt. Oh, the pickles are real, man. Like in India, the flavor, top-notch flavor. Oh, these are approved. Now, let's go for pork and prawns dim sum. Oh, very delicate. You got pork immediately, and then sort of pop in your mouth prawn afterwards. Now, this is something that I really love, Korean seafood pancake. Not bad, not bad. So you know why I love this? It's because when we used to live in Australia, we had that one favorite restaurant of ours, Korean barbecue restaurant, and they used to make one of the best seafood pancakes ever. This is bringing me so many good memories. And now, on to the final course. We order some seafood, crab, prawns, clams and mussels, and then some Korean beef and pork. And everything is going to be grilled right here in front of us. Mamma mia, look at this. Here we are. We got grilled meat. This is the Korean spicy pork belly, some more pork and beef, Korean beef. Wow, smells incredible. And then seafood platter. We got crab, clams, prawns, mussels. Wow, this is the best way to end our meal today. Ragazzi, let's start with some meat. Oh my god, look at this. Look how thick this pork belly is. Marinated pork belly. Let's go for it. A bit sweet, nice and fatty, tender, juicy, charred, smoky. Yes, at all. See, as soon as I entered and I went around the buffet to see what they were offering, I saw this meat and I said, this is what I want to end my meal with. Oh, this is Korean beef. Wow, or maybe I'm wrong, but it's like it's marinated in wine. Now, this is the waiter's favorite, some Korean spicy pork belly. Oh. Nice. I can imagine having this inside a Korean barbecue restaurant, cook it in front of me, and have some soju. Wow, really good. Now, onto the seafood. Let's start with some mussels. I need some salt. Next one, we go for the crab. Sorry, the prawn. Oh yeah. Oh. It tastes grilled. It tastes grilled. It's smoky and fresh. Now, onto the crab. Am I doing it well? Attenzione. Okay, here we are. Okay, here there's a lot of meat. Legs. This is someone that only train the upper body. Look at this. Just want to try one more thing. Prawns. Let's dip it into the sauce. Oh yeah, sauce is nice. It's quite spicy and sweet and a bit sour. Fresh seafood grilled, can't get any better than this. Maybe if we had a bit more sauce, some oil, it would have been better. Now it's time for some dessert. What do you think we should have? Okay, blueberry panna cotta, no doubt. Attenzione, espresso cheesecake. Let's get this gentleman right here. Oh, gulab jamun. We need to get gulab jamun. Fruits. This is for healthy people. Let's get one of these. Mango panna cotta. Vai. Mango cheesecake. You guys should know that we have an addiction to cheesecake. Which one is your favorite cheesecake? Our favorite cheesecake is Basque cheesecake. Here we are. We got sticks Attenzione, 1, 2, 3. Oh, 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 oh. And that's it, then we go. Finally, this is our final course. I want to start with this bread covered in chocolate. Oh, that's nice. Of course, super chocolatey. Now, let's go for Santa Claus. Yeah, this is a block of sugar. Not bad. Blueberry panna cotta. It's nice. Actually, it's not sweet. That's what I love. It doesn't taste like blueberry, but it's satisfying. Last but not least, let's try gulab jamun. Oh, sweet, but spongy, nice and satisfying. That's what I love. All right, ragazzi, this is the end. We stayed here 3 hours and a half. They're about to kick us out. It was fantastic. Top location by the ocean.
Yeah.
We came here at 6 p.m. so you can definitely catch the sunset. Top quality service, top quality food, fresh. They have premium meat, fresh seafood, sashimi, pasta, premium beef, lechon, roasted here and curry in front of you. They have amazing Indian food.
They have noodles too.
Oh yeah, they have noodles, Korean food, mixed local, and a massive selection of desserts. Now, out of all the dishes we've had, which one was your favorite one?
I love the lechon.
Okay, the lechon was great. I think Hyderabadi biryani was really good.
Yeah, it was good.
Because we went to Hyderabad. We know how Hyderabadi biryani tastes like. Also, how much did we spend? Per person after tax, 2,490 pesos. In USD is, as of today, around 43. $43 I think is a bargain.
Yeah.
It's a bargain.
Definitely.
I mean, this was our first ever buffet video. We would love to create so much more. Let us know in the comment section down below if you loved it. Make sure to share it, comment. Let us know which buffet we should visit in your city or in your country. And make sure to subscribe even on Facebook. We have a Facebook page, Abroad and Hungry, okay? We upload new videos every week. And guys, thank you so much for watching and see you next week. We love you all.
Ciao.